Bounce Titania, get your man. Surround it and pound it because you can, yeah!
Maybe we can sneak out through the front of the train. It sounds like the other dinosaur is gone.
Come on, make your move! Come on, make your move!
Wish I had my dino holder. Where you going, Ace? Ace! Come back! Ace!
The little brat is getting away!
Not for long. Dino swing!
Go!
Take care of them all, Tank!
Ready to go! Huh?
But where did it go?
Hey! Looks like Tank beat that Ankylosaurus right into the ground!
Don't you know it's bad luck to predict a battle before it ends?
That was impressive.
It would appear Ankylosaurus just used mole attack. And that's a tough one to beat. Just ask Tank.
We can't lose! Not this quick! Oh, what happened? No, this is your fault, Ed, for jinxing it. And why are you just standing there? Go get the card and bring it over here, now!
This is heavy.
Okay, that's enough. Break time's over. We've got a dinosaur to catch, so let's get this pathetic show on the road.
Max, look! You pay for what you did!
Oh, please, not you two again. I thought I flushed you pesky little brats down the sewer. Ha! Cue the exit music.
Oh man, let's follow him! What is it? Zoe, look! It's Rex's dino holder!
Are you all right, Ace? You really scared me, pal. I'm sorry. If only I hadn't dropped my dino holder. I'm proud of you, Ace. You really surprised me when you took on that Ankylosaurus. Good job, buddy. The subway sure can get pretty loud, huh? So I guess that Ankylosaurus had to sleep through just as big a racket as I did last night. It's a good thing Max can't hear me right now or he'd make fun of me again. Anyway, let's go find a way out.
Hello? Ankylosaurus! Where are you? Yeah! A train! Run!
There it is! I told you if we just pushed this cart a little faster, it'd be worth it! All of our hard work has paid off!
Whose hard work?
Never mind, just get him!
Yeah! Now that's how us cowboys do things down on the ranch.
You've never been on a ranch, Sander.
Well, I've had ranch dressing. Yeehaw!
Now this is almost too easy! Looks like the best way to tail a dinosaur is to actually have him by the tail!
Go, Alpha, go!
Hey, what's that?
My pants is broken!
Ow, it's way too loud! That poor dinosaur is just trying to run away from all the noise. Come on, Ace.
That crazy dinosaur has broken the entire music system on this thing! Lucky it's just a rental!
Yeah, but it's on my car!
Hey, look at that!
It's about time! Once we get outside, we'll have plenty of room to use Terry for a battle!
Well, at least the music stopped. I can finally hear myself think.
Really? What's the sound of silence?
So, do you think he's wagging his tail like a dog because he's happy right now?
Somehow I don't think so.
There it is!
I don't want you to go after it this time, okay?
Stand back, please! Everybody stand back!
Everybody has got to stop all of the noise! The noise is scaring the dinosaur! Please stop! Ace, no! That hurt!
Rex!
Huh?
Rex!
Max! Zoe, you're here!
Here, catch!
Ah, great! Thanks, Max! Let's go, Ace! Dino Slash! Go, Carnotaurus! Blow them away! You ready, Ace? Let's go! No, no! Ace!
He's okay. Hang on, Ace!
Where did it go? What kind of move was that?
I think he's hurt this time. Your move card!
Here we go! Cyclone! All right, Ace!
This is so cool. We got the dinosaur card and the move card.
Yeah, we won, Ace, and it's all because of you.
Those brats captured Ankylosaurus, and we're stuck with the bird's eye view. That was supposed to be our dinosaur. I wish we were back on the ground.
Ursula?
What do you have to say?
Be careful what you wish for!
I think all it wanted was some peace and quiet. It couldn't take all the noise in the city, so it went underground, and then it turned out to be just as noisy down there. So I guess that made it go berserk.
Probably. But how in the world did you figure that one out?
Just like Ankylosaurus, I'm a little uptight. Right, Max?
Oh, I don't know. About this morning, I'm sorry I kinda got carried away.
That's okay, and thanks for getting my dino holder back. I'm sorry I called you clueless, because that's not true at all. So all's forgiven, right?
Yeah. Well, I'm glad that's over. No more fighting, okay?
Hey, kids!
Dad, where you been?
I was watching your battle. Rex, good job.
Thanks. What's in the bags?
Oh, something very exciting. Wait and see.
Come on, make